So good day everyone, my name is James Makalisang. We are the group 10 of Vice and Drug Education, Section 6, designated smoking and non-smoking area in all enclosed space that are open to the general public, private workplace and other place not covered under the preceding section where smoking may expose a person to the other than the smoking to tobacco smoke. An owner, proprietor, processor, manager, and administrator of such place shall establish smoking areas. Such areas may include a designated smoking area within the building, which may be in open space or separate area with proper ventilation, but shall not be located within the same room that has been designated as a non-smoking area. All designated smoking area shall at least one legible and visible sign posted, namely smoking area, for information and guidance of all concerned. In addition, the sign or not posted shall include a warning about the health effect and direct as a second-hand exposed to tobacco smoke. Non-smoking area shall likewise have at least one legible and visible sign, namely no smoking area or no smoking. So ang akong nasabtan sa section 6 kay di ba example kanang makita mo tag kanang mga poster nga no smoking area, so kana di jud ka pwede manigarilyo dira. Like example dito sa gasolinahan, daghang kay nga butang nga no smoking, di ka pwede manigarilyo dira sa gasoline station kay masin dali kay na mo dakop ang kalayo sa baga sa sigarilyo, basin ikaw rin hinungdan nga nganong masunog na or sawa. So proceed to section 7, vending machine self-service facilities, unless the vending machine as a mechanism for age verification and sale or distribution of tobacco product to minor by means of a vending machine or any self-service facility or similar contraption or device is prohibited except at point of sale establishment. So section 7, vending machine. Speaking of vending machine, is mo ni ang machine nga mag-verify sa edad sa mga distributor, kay ginabawal ang pag-distribute sa mga minor de edad sa og tabako sa ilang lugar. Vending machine is mo ni ang detect sa imong edad, mahibalaan nila og minor de edad baka or dili. So section 8, retailer compliance with respect to service facilities. Each retailer shall ensure that all tobacco-related self-service display or facilities, advertising, labeling, and other items that are located in the establishment of a retailer and that do not comply with the requirements of this act are removed or are brought into compliance with the requirements of this act. So base sa nasabtan ako sa section 8, ang mga retailer daw sa sigarilyo, like example sa Manila, misunod sila sa ilang role dito. Example pag-remove og display sa ilang mga tindahan og sigarilyo. Yan ikaduha kay katong pagbutang og babala about sa kusa pagpanigarilyo, like katong example lung cancer, o ginabawalan ang pagbaligya sa mga minor de edad. That's all, thank you.
Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. I'm the next reporter and I will be tackling about section 9 to section 11. So section 9, minimum age zones under this act, it shall be unlawful A for any retailer or tobacco product to sell or distribute tobacco products to any minor. So ang pamaligya sa mga maligya ay sa mga minor de edad is dili siya pwede. B for any person to purchase cigarettes or tobacco product from a minor. So mga tao nga mapapalit sa sigarilyo or sa tobacco product sa minor de edad, dili siya pwede. C for any minor to sell or buy cigarettes or any tobacco product, and so dili siya Ang mga minor de edad nga magbaligya or mapalit sa sigarilyo or tobacco products is dili siya pwede. D. A minor to smoke cigarettes or any other tobacco products. So, ang mga minor de edad nga manigarilyo o magamit sa tobacco products is dili siya pwede. It shall not be a defense for the person selling or distributing that he or she did not know or was aware of the real age of the minor. Neither shall it be a defense that he she did not know or nor had any reason to believe that the cigarettes or any other tobacco product was for the consumption of the minor to whom it was sold. So, dili siya mahimong rason sa mga mamaligya ay og tabako og dili siya mahimong wala siya kabalo nga ang iyang baligyaan is minor de edad. Okay, next. Section 10. Sale of tobacco product within school perimeters. The sale or distribution of tobacco product is prohibited within 100 meters from any point of the perimeter of a school, public playground, or other facility frequented particularly by minors. So, ang pagbaligya sa sigarilyo sa mga tobacco products dapit sa eskwelahan is na siya gilayon. Sulod sa 100 meters, dili siya pwede mamaligya og sigarilyo para malikayan nga makapalit ang mga minor de edad. Okay, next. Section 11. Signage point of sales establishment offering. So, distributing or selling tobacco product to consumers shall post the following statement in a clear and conspicuous manner. Sale, distribution to or purchase by minors of tobacco products is unlawful, or it is lawful for tobacco products to be sold, distributed to, or purchased by person under 18 years of age. So, sa mga retailers, mga mamaligya ay kay mag-post ina siya klaro og hayag nga ang pagbaligya sa mga minor de edad ay dili siya makatarunganon og dili siya pwede. And that's all of my topic. Thank you.
Today, I'm the last reporter, so I will tackle about Section 12, Proof of Age Verification. In case of doubt as to the age of the buyer, retailer shall verify by means of any valid from photographic identification containing the date of birth of the bearer that no individual purchasing a tobacco is below 18 years age. So in Section 12 is nag-count na is dapat ang mupalit sa mga tobacco is 18 pataas. Yeah. So, di siya pwede, bawal yun sa mga bata, mga minor edad na mupalit og mga tabako. But, for now, kung naobserbaran lang is, some those mga tao karon is, mga bata na jud ang makapalit, na mga 5 years old, mga 10, sugoon papalit, mga tabako is, nanapoy mga minor na gas, tobacco. So, karon is diri jud sa Section 12 is proof of age verification is dapat bawal jud ang mga minor na mga bata. Ang mga minor dapat 18 years age pataas ang pwede makapalit sa tobacco. Next is Section 13, Warning on cigarette package. Under this act, all packages in which tobacco products are provided to consumer withdrawn from the manufacturing facility of all manufacturers or imported into the Philippines intended for sale to the market starting January 1, 2004 shall be printed in either English or Filipino or rotating basis of separately and simultaneously the following health warnings, government warnings, cigarettes are addicted, Government warning, tobacco can harm your children. Government warning, smoking skills. Next is Section 14, warning on advertising under this act. All tobacco advertising in mass media shall contain either in English or Filipino the following health warning, government warning, cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. So that's all my report. So thank you.